Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to boost your Facebook post engagement using an auto-like and comment bot. This tool helps you increase interaction by using multiple Facebook accounts to like, react, and comment on your content automatically. First, get the link of your target post, whether it's a video, ad, or reel. Copy the post link directly from Facebook. Open the software, paste the post link in the designated field. Now let's set up the type of reaction you want, like love or care. Next, prepare your comment content. Each line will be a different comment like hello, nice one, or how much is it? If you want to add images with comments, you can upload them too. Once done, save your script. Now select the Facebook accounts you want to use. You can run multiple accounts simultaneously depending on your computer specs. Each account will independently log in using separate browser instances. The tool starts watching the post first to mimic real engagement. Then it triggers the emotional reaction you've chosen and posts the prepared comments one by one. You'll see notifications appearing from all the accounts, just like a real human interaction. Once finished, the tool confirms all actions and logs the outcome for you to review later. Let's check the actual post. You'll see all the likes, loves, and comments just as we configured. This is a powerful way to boost social proof on any Facebook post in seconds, with zero manual effort. If you're interested in using this tool for your own campaigns, contact me through Telegram or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automation tips.